Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. So let's begin. So starting in a tabletop position, walk the hands forward into puppy pose, releasing through the chest and the shoulders. And slowly coming back up and making your way to lie on our tummies and moving into a scorpion twist. So both hands coming out to either side of the body, lifting the right leg up, bending the knee and twisting, placing the foot on the other side of the leg. Slowly release. We'll switch sides. Gently release, coming back, and then lifting up the head and the chest, making your way up onto all fours. Wide spread the knees. We're going to come into a variation of thread the needle, so moving into child's pose, threading the right hand underneath the left shoulder. Switching sides. Gently released, coming back and making your way to lie down onto the mat. Lift the legs up and send both legs out to either side of the body. Gently release, bring the legs back to touch and slowly down towards the mat. And then lifting up the right knee, bringing it over towards the left side of the body, coming into a gentle twist, and if it's available, looking over the right shoulder. Slowly release. We'll switch sides, so sending the right leg out, bring the left knee in, bringing it over towards the right side of the body. And gently release. Bring both feet to touch moving into a butterfly Savasana, lifting the hands, placing them above the head. We'll just stay here. And thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again.